Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, in the previous class we have done till question number 4. Only 4 questions are remaining from this chapter, that is question number 5, 6, 7 and 8. So question number 5 is average of 9 numbers is 45. What is their total? So first of all the students, you have to tell me in the comment section that what is the average of numbers? What is the formula for average of numbers? So the formula for average of numbers is sum of observations upon number of observations. So with this formula only we are going to solve this question. So I am going to show you the solution of this question. So please pay attention, students. So students, as you all can see that this is the solution of the question. 45 was the average and we don't know what was the sum of observation. Number of observations were 9. So 45 is equals to sum of observations upon 9. Now this 9 is division with sum. Once it will go to the left hand side, it will be multiplication. So 45 multiplied by 9 is equals to sum of observations. Right? So 9 5s are 45. 4 carry, 9 4s are 36 and 36 plus 4 is 40. So the sum of observations is 405. Now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 6. So question number 6 is, students, I am reading it for you. Farah eats on an average 2 apples a day. How many apples does she eat in a week? It's an average that she is eating 2 apples a day. How many apples does she eat in a week? Again, this is the question as we did earlier, that is question number 5. What we have to do in this question, students, average is given to you and number of observations is given to you. So number of observations in this question will be 7 because in total there are 7 days in a week. So how many apples she is eating in total? 7 days. उन 7 दिनों में उसने कितने apples खाए थे? We have to find out that. So let's begin without wasting time, students. So students, you can see the solution of the question. Average is equals to sum of observation upon number of observations. So the average was 2 apples and sum of apples eaten upon 7, that is number of days. So 2 7s are 14 because 7 was in division. Once it went to the left hand side, was in multiplication. So in total, how many apples were ate by her in a week? 14 apples ate by her in a week. So I hope you must have understood this question, students. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 7. So students, question number 7 is, Damini scored 82% marks in English, 95% marks in maths and 96% in science in the annual exam. Express her marks in fractions. So let's get started without wasting time. Students, you can see the solution of the question. Since to convert every percentage into a fraction, we have to divide it by 100. So 82% was the score in English, so 82 upon 100. 95% was the score in maths, so 95 upon 100. And 96% was the score in science, so 96 upon 100. And the formula for observation is the formula for average is sum of observations upon number of observations. तो सम में मैंने तीनों के फ्रैक्शंस को ऐड किया और टोटल कितने सब्जेक्ट्स हैं? देयर आर 3 सब्जेक्ट्स. So that is why I am dividing it by 3. Now in the above portion, that is 82 upon 100 plus 95 upon 100 plus 96 upon 100, all are having same denominator. So I am giving a common denominator as 100. There is no need to take the LCM. So now 82 plus 95 plus 96 upon 100 will be divided by 3. So let's proceed to the next step. So the next step is 82 plus 95 plus 96 upon 100 divided by 3. जो आपका 3 upon में था वो divide में ही था. That is why I have mentioned the symbol of division. Now I have already explained you, whenever you are dividing two fractions, take the reciprocal of the second fraction, multiply it with the first one. So 82 plus 95 plus 96 is 273. So 273 upon 100 will be multiplied by 1 upon 3. Now numerator will be multiplied by numerator and the denominator will be multiplied by denominator. So 273 upon 100 multiplied by 1 by 3, it will be equals to 273 upon 300. Now what we have to do? We have to simplify it. After simplification, 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0. So the average of these three subjects in the form of fraction will be 91 upon 100. Now let's move on to the last question of this exercise and of this chapter also. So students, the last question is, first of all, let me read it for you. Out of 240 children, 182 took part in the school sports day. What percentage is this? Okay, so we have to find out the percentage. It is very easy. So let's get started without wasting time. So students, in question number 8, I have not written the statement. You have to write the statement on your own. So 180 was the total number of students who have participated and the total strength was 240. So to find out the percentage, we just multiply it by 100. तो इसका percentage निकालने के लिए हमें इसे 100 से multiply करना था. So I have done the simplification. As you all can see that 180 upon 240 multiplied by 100. 0, 0 will be cancelled. Now 3 8s are 24, 3 6s are 18. And then 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. And then 4 1s are 4, 4 25s are 100. So 3 multiplied by 25 is 75%. So 75% of the students took part in the school sports day. So you have to write the statements on your own. Now this chapter is over. If there is any problem, any difficulty in solving any questions of this chapter, you can comment down in the comment section. I will be explaining it to you. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye-bye. Take care.